Greetings my vamps and welcome back to Ivanafacepaint. Today I want to do something gory. I have missed doing my usual bloody, creepy thing. I've just been kind of doing some regular stuff and that's okay and all, but now it's back to business. So we're basically just going to make it look like half of my face has been ripped off. I haven't done this type of thing before, so it's probably going to be a challenge. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. But it just sounds fun, so yeah, we're gonna do this. Okay, so first to get started, I took my lip ring out and I'm going to throw some primer on my face and then I'm going to cover one eyebrow. So let's do that. Now that my eyebrow is covered with glue and powder, I'm going to also cover it with scar wax just to make sure that my eyebrow stays safe. So just a thin layer of scar wax. Okay, and now real quick I'm going to put regular makeup on this side of my face. Okay, now that I've got half of my face on, I just did the bare minimum on makeup. Just because, just to add to the look a little bit. We're just going to start applying the latex and then putting toilet paper over top of that and then another layer of latex. And we're going to do that on this whole side of her face, basically. I'm going to wait and hopefully make my eye disappear last. That way I can see everything else that I'm doing. Okay, before I start on the next layer of latex, I'm actually going to go ahead and do the outline of this so that way it makes it look like the skin's been ripped off. Because right now it would be backwards. It would look like it's just laying on top. So I need to make an outline to the face. I think I'm going to do that using scar wax and then kind of go over everything with more latex. I'm gonna give this wax a try that I bought for this reason. I didn't like it before when I tried to use it. I like the homemade stuff better that I got. But I might be able to make use of it this time. Maybe. It's like this stuff's too gummy or something. And then it just rips off. I feel like it doesn't spread like I want it to. The homemade stuff spreads a lot easier, but it also doesn't stick as good, so I guess you have to choose which thing you want to deal with. Today, I think I'm going to deal with this. I don't know. It still sucks quite a bit. Ugh. This is why I hate this stuff. Like, why? Why can't it just do what it's supposed to do? And the tool that came with it don't even work for it. Like, God. Okay. No thank you. I'm just gonna use the stuff that I made. I don't know why I bother. Waste my time every freaking time. Back to the homemade stuff, guys. Hopefully I can even make this work. I don't even know at this point. There's gotta be something that goes wrong though. Otherwise they are not my videos. Nothing I want to use is working today. What am I even doing? Why am I using this? Why am I not just using latex? I've forgotten how to do things, guys. Y'all are just sitting there watching me do things that I shouldn't be doing. Letting me live life the wrong way. Oh, Lord. For our edges, we are not going to use wax. We are going to use latex and toilet paper. Now we are going to start with the next layer of latex. I'm just gonna put it on this entire thing, even on the edges of this. So let's do that. Since the majority of this is dry, I'm going to go ahead and take my liquid mousse foundation and just start applying it to this outside edge piece. Okay, and we'll take a little bit of our powder to fill that in too. So now that I've tested it, we are going to do scar wax over top of this side. Just a little bit at a time to help smoothen it out, because you want it to look like your skin and you don't want this part to be like rough. I guess it makes sense for it to be a little bit rough, but there's some places that I want to be smoother. If it doesn't work, I'm going to just take all the scar wax off and never mention it again. I think once I add in some more makeup to this part, it'll be looking pretty decent from a first time and everything. Yes. Oh Lord. Teamwork make the dream work. I have no idea why I said that, because there's no team here. It's just me. Don't judge me. Quit judging me. I can feel you judging me. Stop. Okay? I can't even smile at you right now because of this. That's as much as you get. So I guess I'm just gonna have resting bitch face for the rest of this video. Alright. I just love doing special effects. Like, I get excited when it actually slowly starts to come together and everything. Like, if I was really feeling bold today, I would try to like make it look like, you know, this whole part of my mouth or my jaw is missing and just show like my teeth, but we'll save that for another time when I'm a little bit more confident in my skills. Okay, so now I guess is when I should be covering my eye. This part I'm scared of. So I guess to cover it, I'm going to put latex on the outside edges and just throw toilet paper over it first, and then I'll let you know after I do that, if that even works, so I'm wanting it to work. I think I'm gonna do exactly what I did again and just kind of add a couple more layers. That way this doesn't like rip open and ruin everything. I feel like people that actually know what they're doing watch my videos and are just like, no. That's if they even watch my videos. Probably not, because I'm very new to this and no one knows that I exist. Okay, so that feels a little more stable now. So next, I'm going to pat latex in it. Wait, is that a good idea? I don't know if that's a good idea. I'm just gonna lightly tap it on top and hope that it doesn't soak all the way through. Maybe if I start on the edges first. Seems like I'm okay so far. I don't feel like this is a mistake. I am gonna mess up and rip this open if I'm not careful, that's for sure. Oh. Just a little bit of strong scent coming. I think I'm gonna call it a day with the latex now, and we're gonna start working with cream paint. That's gonna start getting the nastiness of it all. We need red and black cream paint, guys. Oh, this is the wrong container. Alright, can't see what I'm doing. Okay, so red, and this is just that cheap stuff that you get at the Halloween store or Walmart during Halloween time, so I'm sure you can get it on Amazon or whatever. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the red first. I'm just gonna okay, I'm just gonna start adding the red all over this. Oh yes, look at that. I love when it starts getting to the nasty part. It's like so exciting. Yeah. Alright, I'm sorry. I'm getting slap happy now. I can only go so far before I can't see the side of my face. Ugh, I know that I can't see this spot, and I don't know why I keep like just, like I just, you know, always want a little bit of blood on the outside of the skin part. And you know, obviously when the skin came off my face, my eyeball just fell out. I don't know what happened to it, okay? Just, it made sense in my head. I just wanted my eyeball to be gone. Does it really have to make sense? Like, go ahead and get up in that nostril. So very gentle touch right now. We don't need a whole lot of red in there because that's gonna be black anyway. I just wanted to have some kind of blending going. So now let's take our black and we'll start applying that in the middle of our eyeball. Okay, yeesh, that looks creepy. But now that I've got part of my face missing, I'm going to do the finishing touch, which is add the blood. And then when I add the blood, I'll take my hair down. I'm drooling a little bit. But I'll take my hair down and show you all the finished look. So let's add our blood. I want to suck your blood. So we're just gonna start patting our blood on, I guess. Whew. It's cold. We definitely want to put it around the outside edge to make it gross and everything. Alright, so now I'm going to take my hair down and show you the finished look. Alright, well, that's the finished look. Oh snap! I like this. I need to do more things like this. I need to get better at it. But really, for my first time, just giving it a go, it's definitely not bad. It's not bad at all. I'm pretty happy. I appreciate you guys sticking around this long to see the results. I know. Oh, that yawn was weird too. Not too shabby. Well, as normal, if you have any questions, concerns, or requests, let me know that in the comments. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. And that way you can get notified when my next video is up. Thank you, Vamps, for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.